Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for coming to Kenya, Nairobi.
Yeah.
Thank you for visiting KeNIC.
It's our pleasure.
Yeah, so I just ask you a few questions about the program, but first you can introduce yourself, your country, and your organization.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. My name is ccTLD. I'm from Rwanda. I'm also representing Victor as in charge of managing .rw. So, yeah.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming. So I'll just take you through a few questions.
Yeah.
So what's one assumption about a ccTLD that this program forced you to rethink?
Thank you for that question. I can say before this training, mostly I can say most of the registries, our thinking was more on how we register domains, we renew domains, those engagements in the community. But this training has made us like an eye opening to us.
Yeah.
The thinking of how it's more, it's beyond registration. It's more of like the infrastructure behind, even the security of the DNS infrastructure.
Yeah. As
also the high availability, because as we are managing the registry, we are managing flag.rw, it has to be, the uptime has to be high.
Yeah.
So it just came to us to rethink again more on that also. To just also to be I can say also to consider that part.
Yeah. Okay, that is good to know. We have worked with Richter before, so we understand where Rwanda is as a registry. So what's the second question is, what's a technical practice you're taking back to your registry that you'd never have learned from documentation alone?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So the technical practice is, I can say mostly we know the infrastructure of the DNS, but through this training, they give us like a roadmap of how to set up the infrastructure, how can even help other who wants to set up an infrastructure on the registrar side, also the management. So it's not something that you just wake up and do. It's more of like having a plan, IP addresses plan, even having the skills on the routing protocol. Not only that, but also one of the things that they have mentioned here that was something catchy was more of like to always segregate your name servers.
Okay.
Not only name servers, but also having a redundancy, because once a name server is down, just need to have a backup.
Okay, that's actually, I'm also learning from you. There are some things I was not able to learn, but I'm also learning from you. So the other question, what did you learn from another delegates country concept that surprised you, from another registry, another country?
Thank you. So one of the things that surprised us as Rwanda was just that as this properties, we are all registrars, registry and registrars. But it came to us that we do the same thing, managing the
domains,
country code top-level domains. But seems like we have different operational models. For us, we run 3. So some other countries they run 2 and 1.
There's 1.
Yes, some has 1.
Okay.
It was so surprised to us to find that some countries has 1 model.
And I think the 3R model works better.
It works better. It's even more flexible because the registrars they are more engaging with their clients. The registry is just there just to
ensure security.
For that security, everything is smooth.
Okay. So last question. In one sentence, what does a resilient Africa internet look like in 10 years?
Thank you. So in my perspective, I can say that resilience means to me for African country. We can say that it has to be secure, of course. Not only secure, but also it has to be locally managed. Things like we've been being recommended as a best practice, of course, manage your infrastructure locally, not going beyond. Also, it has to be highly interconnected, meaning reach every community. Also, with that, with all community being reached, this all over the whole continent, that will be the best.
The best. I know. But we appreciate you for coming, learning with KeNIC. We hear that other countries feel or know that KeNIC is very advanced and doing good. Have you heard that?
Yeah, KeNIC is more advanced. We are so happy to have this training in KeNIC because we are learning so much from KeNIC because KeNIC is up here and also to mention this, because this business of registry, it's more of like an ongoing engagement. People, they have to change their mindset, their perspective of saying that if I'm using .com, it's more stable, reliable. No, people should also try to shift their perspective and go beyond that, thinking that using .com is better than using maybe
.ke.
.ke.
Yes, okay, I understand. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.